Hi there, it's Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy. We're here to show Zach how to do it. Usually Zach's behind the scenes. He's the one that edits my videos and made my webpage. Today I got him out front. So we're going to show him how to mix the epoxy, and we're going to show him how to do the piece, and then he's going to do his own sample later. This piece here, we're going to make 16 ounces of epoxy. I'm going to put it in here and we'll let Zach mix it. We're going to go 1 to 1. So I am going to do 8 ounces of each. Start with part B, and then we'll add part A. And this is Stone Coat epoxy, and you can get this on my site. You get $10 off if you order over $99, and that would be in a link at the bottom. And you got to put the code is Warner. All right, there we go. Oh, no, that's not it. Wrong mark. Let's go even numbers here. 8 and 8. Alright, now there we go. We're going to mix this for 2 minutes with the drill. And again, you can get this mixer on eBay. Just put that in there, put it all the way to the bottom, lift it up a little bit, and put it on slow for a little bit. Once you get it going, you're going to mix it for 2 minutes. There you go.
Alright.
Just leave it off the bottom so you don't wear a hole in the bottom of your container. I'm backing up. See if you get epoxy all over.
Hope not.
Alright. Alright, we got the epoxy all mixed. I probably already should have put the black on. Let me set my stand up here so we got some place to work. You can get these little triangle things on Amazon. I guess I made a mistake and said eBay earlier. I meant to say Amazon. You can get these on there too. Just click the link below and they'll take you right to them. Now we're going to do the marble effect on the white marble. That cool?
Yeah.
I think that's plenty. What do you think?
Looking good.
Alright. Let that dry just a little bit. I think if we get enough on the edges, I think that's plenty.
Yeah, there's some on every edge.
Let's see. I wish I could get a little more, but I'm going to get too much on if I get more on there. What do you think?
Looking good.
Alright, we'll wipe off the extras. Alright. Okay, we're going to need 3 ounces per square foot. This is just under 3, so 3, 6, so 9 ounces. We'll pour this on here and we'll spread it out. Okay, let's see if that's enough. We'll spread this out with our 1/8 by 1/8 trowel. And since that stuff is still wet underneath, we'll just not scrape the board at all. We'll just leave it really light.
Okay.
Get it all the way out close to the edges. So you think you can do this so far?
Yeah, doesn't seem too bad. Mixing, pouring.
Doesn't seem like it's quite enough. I'll add a little more.
You can definitely tell the difference between the stuff with epoxy on it and even the wet epoxy and like dry stuff, nothing on it.
Oh, right.
It definitely pops it out more.
Oh.
Well, unless it's super simple, it actually looks pretty good so far.
Just need a little more. I don't know why doesn't seem like it's not going farther. But I know I did 3 ounces per square foot here. Alright, now that we got it spread out, the next step is to get these lines that we just made with the trowel. So we're going to chop it with a brush. I got a brush ready here. We'll get it all soaking wet. Make sure you get all the loose bristles out of here. You got to pull them right out of there. Then we're going to chop it. Just randomly chop your board all over. This will get rid of all your trowel marks that you made while you're putting the clear on top. And after we chop it, then we'll get the edges, and then this piece will be done. Before I got here today, like yesterday and the day before, I put a coat of paint to prep it. I got 2 coats of paint primer, 1 from Behr. I sanded between coats, and that is all you have to do for this piece. Now this piece is going to go on a piece of furniture. We're going to make a little coffee table out of this piece. We're going to put it on a chest, and then we'll mount this on top of the chest, and then we're going to paint the chest black, and this will be a nice accent to it. It'll be a nice little coffee table for somebody. So what do you think, Zach? Think you can do this on the next piece?
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad.
We're not going to give you a piece this simple though.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Alright, I guess there is one more thing I got to teach you. That's getting air out.
In the bubbles?
Yeah, getting the bubbles out. So I'll get the torch. Always start your torch off your piece in case it's got dirt in it. Back and forth. Cover the whole piece. And you're going to do this 3 times. And I won't bore you guys with all 3. We'll call this it for this piece. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell so you can get notifications from our next video. And don't forget, click them links below from Amazon, save yourself $10 from Sunco, order your product, and see you next week.